Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description to try this out, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Okay, let's start with a 0. Alright, so 0 gives us 1.75. How about a 1? And 1 gives us 3. How about a 2? Gives us 4.25. Let's see, it went up 1 1/4 or 5/4, and then it went up another 5/4. So it looks like we have a line here. Let's try a 3, see if that continues. And that's 5.5. That is another 5/4. So maybe we've got a line with a slope of 5/4 and a y-intercept of 7/4. That could be. Let's try in the negatives, get a bigger picture of what's going on the left side. Okay, so that's continuing the same pattern. How about a -2? Continuing the same pattern. So maybe we've got this. I'm just going to go way out to the left just to double check. Should be down in the negatives. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, so it looks like we must have an absolute value, and almost looks like this could be the vertex. Let's try -3. Nope, not the vertex. I guess I was eyeballing that wrong. Maybe this is the vertex. Let's try -4. There we go. Okay, yep, that's looking right. I think we have the information we need now to write a function for this one. So f of x, it's going to be, well, so it's an absolute value, and a couple of things have been done to it. First of all, it's pointing upward, so it's going to be positive. But it has it's if it was just f of x equals the absolute value of x, the vertex would be here. And what we see is it's moved over 3 to the left and down 2. The down 2 is pretty easy. Outside of the brackets, you put that, oops, not a plus, a -2. And then moving in this negative direction here, we've moved 3 spaces in the negative direction. You actually put a +3 here. And there's our x. And then the only thing we have to add to this is the multiplier, because this is not going up at a slope of 1. It looks like it's going up at that slope of 5/4 that we noticed earlier. So I think this is 5/4. So that's a lot of stuff. Maybe we should test a point or two. Let's just put in a 0 and see what we get. That means this would be the 0 plus 3 absolute value times 5/4 and then -2. Well, this would just be 3. 3 times 5/4 is 15/4, and let's see, 2 is 8/4, so -8/4. That would be 7/4, and that is 1.75. So it looks like that works. Let's just try putting in this negative number. Let's put in -4. So 5/4, absolute value of -4 plus 3 minus 2. -4 plus 3 is going to be a -1, but the absolute value of that is a +1, and 1 times 5/4 is just 5/4. So this is going to be 5/4 minus 2, or minus 8/4. That's a -3/4, and we got -0.75. All of that checks out. I'm gonna take a look, and there it is, 5/4 times the absolute value of x plus 3, and then -2, and we can graph that as well. That slightly steeper absolute value v that's been moved over and down a little bit. Well, how did that go to you? Were you thinking it was linear like I was? Did you notice that it turned and became an absolute value? Let me know. Thanks.